Please like, comment, and subscribe.
So these principles, um, is there a list of principles? How many are there? Is this is it like just an expression for something, or
Okay, when I refer to principles, it's basically just like gravity. It can be observed. It doesn't matter what you believe. You know, if you go to a rooftop and jump, you will end up going down. Spiritual principles are basically the same. So it's basically describing how things work and understand how, like, when we interact with life, what happens and why. And just like in science, to learn more about how life works, you need to understand the fundamentals. You need to understand the basic laws of nature. You need to understand, what matter is. You need to understand, the foundation of reality. And spiritual principles are just the same. So there is no limit because they're not rules but observations and practices. It also depends on the level of consciousness because these laws of nature or principles will change as you grow, as you expand. And this is why, for each step we take spiritually, we have to learn everything all over again. Because when we thought we understood how something works, in a more expanded reality, it might work very differently. And it means that we have to go through all the processes again, kind of like update ourselves based on the new level. So, no, there's no list. It's just the exploration of life. And also, principles and laws of nature are not fixed, they change and unfold as well according to the unfoldment of life. But it happens very slowly. So, when we talk about spiritual principles, they apply for a while. But it assists us in understanding how we can move in harmony with life and not step on our own feet and take part in the expression and kind of the dance and the joy, instead of focusing so much on suffering and what doesn't work. It's learning how to make things work, basically, and what it means to be in higher consciousness, because higher consciousness is, in many ways, simply being able to exist in harmony with spiritual principles and not getting in the way, understanding how life works and how to exist and express in harmony with it. So I think, throughout history, people have tried to make rules and lists and all that, and it ends up being religion. My approach is to try to give ideas and principles so that people can explore and experiment and find out things for themselves. And whatever you find out is fine by me. It's none of my business.